Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate how to simplify fractions. The most important thing you need to know about simplifying fractions is understanding that you must find the greatest common factor. The greatest common factor means that we're going to factor the numerator and the number in the denominator, and we're going to find the largest or the greatest factor that they both have in common. So when I factor 18, of course I have 1 and 18. You should be trying to do your factor rainbow and filling them in. 2 times 9, 3 times 6, and that should do it for 18. Let's factor 24. We're going to spread it out a little bit further because it has more factors than 18. 1 and 24. 2 times 12. 3 times 8. And last but not least, 4 times 6. Now I'm looking for my greatest common factor. I'm looking for the largest number that I see that both sets of factors have. So like they both have 1 and 2 and 3. They both have 6. 6 will be my greatest common factor because that's the number that they both had, both sets of factors had, that was the largest. So all I'm going to do is use that greatest common factor and divide both the numerator and the denominator by that greatest common factor. (18) divided by 6 is 3. 24 divided by 6 is 4. So my final answer in simplest form is 3/4.